Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of the 2025 Lexus LC 500. We'll be discussing the latest and greatest features, advanced technology, and of course, the price tag. So, buckle up and let's get started. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 is set to make a splash in the automotive world with its sleek design, powerful engine, and cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the exterior. The LC 500 boasts a stunning design that combines elegance and sportiness. The front grille features a new design, and the overall shape has been refined to enhance aerodynamics. The rear end has been redesigned as well, with a new bumper and diffuser. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 LC 500 will feature a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen and improved graphics. The seats have been redesigned for added comfort, and the cabin will be more spacious than ever before. Now, let's talk about the engine. The LC 500 will be powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine, which is a significant upgrade from the current model's 3.5-liter V6. This engine will produce around 470 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful cars in its class. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 will also come with a host of advanced safety features, including a new collision avoidance system that uses a combination of cameras and radar to detect potential hazards. As for the price, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 is expected to start at around $90,000, which is a significant increase from the current model's starting price of $67,500. However, with all the new features and upgrades, it's worth noting that the 2025 LC 500 will be a premium luxury car, and the price tag reflects that. In conclusion, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 is shaping up to be an exciting and impressive vehicle. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, it's sure to turn heads and make a statement on the road. We can't wait to see it in action. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Lexus LC 500. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car news and reviews. Until next time, happy driving.